Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine. Okay, so we'll begin the session now. In last class, we solved the exercise number 1.2. So today we'll see real numbers and their decimal expansion. How the decimal expansion of a real numbers are there. So we'll see about the decimal expansion as well as the how to convert a decimal expansion number in terms of a p by q form. So how to convert all the decimal expansion number in a decimal form, that we have to study in today's class, and after that we'll solve the 1.3 some problems. Okay, not all, only first main or second main we'll solve today. That is so I am going to begin now. That is to find the decimal expansion of a 10 by 3, 7 by 8, 1 by 7, like that they given here. So I don't do all the problems here because it is a division only, right? So it is a division only. I'll just directly write the answers. So I hope everyone do the division properly because you are in a 9th standard. So do the division you only yourself. So I'll just write the answer and tell the things. What is the theory in that I will do, that I will tell in this class. That is a, see here, real numbers and decimal expansion. Okay, in real numbers and the decimal expansion. What is we are discussing here means, see here, find the decimal expansion of a 10 by 3, 7 by 8, 1 by 7 they given here. Page number 9 I am telling. Okay, so find the decimal expansion of a 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7 they given here. 10 by 3 and 7 by 8 and 1 by 7. I'll write answers only. Here 10 by 3 is a 3.333 like this, and this one is 0.875, and next one is 0.142857. So here it will be a repeating, and again see here 3.33, and they given the remainder either become 0 after the certain stage or start repeating themselves only. So number of entries in the repeating string from a reminders is less than the divisor. Like that also happen. If the remainder is repeat, then we repeating a block of digits in a quotient, and we get the repeating block in the quotient only. So in that we have a case 1 as the remainder becomes 0, and the case 2 is a remainder never becomes a 0. Okay, so we'll have a first case as remainder becomes a 0, and case 2 is remainder never becomes 0. So these are the two possibilities. See here, first case is a remainder becomes a 0 and remainder never becomes a 0. See here, if you want to see this one, 10 by 3. Divide 10 by 3, you will get an answer as a 3.333 like that only. Okay, it will never get a 0 as a remainder. Okay, we will never get a remainder as a 0 here. Where how much will be possible, that much you have to do the division here. If you sit for a 1 hour, 2 hour or 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, then also the remainder never be 0 for 10 by 3. Always it is a 3.33333. So it is repeating same number. We'll get a never other numbers here. So we'll get a only 3.333 like that only. So it will never get the remainder 0 value here. So it is the example for remainder never becomes a 0. This is for a second case. Okay, and observe 7 by 8. If we divide 7 by 8, the answer is 0. 0.875. Some people will read as 0.875. That is a wrong thing. After a point, after a decimal point, we have to read the numbers single digits. That is a 0.875. Like that we have to read here. Getting everyone? Don't read as a 875. Okay, so we have to read a 0.875. So 0.875 is here quotient, and the remainder what it is? Remainder here is 0 it is there. So it is the example for the which one? It is example for the first case. That is a remainder becomes a 0 here. Okay. So next one is the 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is what here? 0.142857. Okay, this much number will repeat again. Next, if you want to do the division, you will get a same like this only. If you want, you can do it no. Okay, so I will not do here because it's a time waste of time here. Okay, I don't have much time. So please, if you want to know that properly, then do the division. Just division it is 1 by 7. Division is a very easy problem. Right, because being a 9th standard you have to do the division properly, otherwise you will not capable for the 9th standard only. Okay, go for the first standard or second standard, then it is a better. Okay, so 1 by 7 means 1 by 7, what is the quotient here? 0.142857. Up to this much the same thing is there. After again if you go on division, then again you will get a 142857. This value only will repeat after that. Okay, again you will not get the remainder as a 0 here. So remainder never becomes a 0 in this case. This is also example for here. This is also example for the case 2. Getting everyone? So these are the things on how to do the decimal expansion here. In that we have a remainder become 0 and we have a remainder never become a 0. Like that we have a 2 cases here, and after that they given here show that 3.14268 is the rational number. In other words, express 3.14268 in the form of a P by Q. How to convert this in the P by Q form? We have to convert here. See here. And one more thing is there, I'm going to tell here only. That is 3.3333 like this there. So which number is repeating here? After decimal point I am saying. Okay, before decimal point, this will you have don't write like this. Okay, so after decimal point, which value is repeating here? Only 3 value is repeating. So we have to write like this, 3.3 bar. 3 after decimal point, write only one number 3. And above 3 you have to write the bar. This line is called as the bar. Okay, 3.3 bar means what? 3 is repeating here. It means bar means what? How much you want to take, that much you have to repeat here. Write 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, whatever you have to write here. Only this number is repeating, that means. Only 3 is repeating here. That's why we are putting above the 3 we are putting here bar mark. Getting everyone? Here this 142857 is repeating. So how to write this one number? 0.142857 bar mark. So this value is repeating here. Again I am writing here, right? So this value is repeating means we have to put the bar above this number. Above these numbers we have to put the bar mark here. Means this value is repeating here. That means. Getting everyone? So this is called as the decimal expansion of a number. Decimal expansion of a real numbers. Real numbers is nothing but a rational number as well as the irrational numbers. Next thing is and what is the value of root 2 here? Value of root 2 is always 1.414. Even pi value is 3.141 like that. Okay. So I'll show some example now. How to convert the decimal expansion of a number in the form of a P by Q. You here 3.576. Example 2. Okay. So you have to convert this decimal expansion. I hope everyone know what is the decimal expansion of a number. Decimal expansion of a number is nothing but a what? That number consisting of a one decimal point. This point is called as the what? Decimal point. Okay. If the number is containing a point, then it is called as the decimal number. Getting everyone? This is called as the decimal number, and you have to convert this decimal number into rational number. That is nothing but in the form of a P by Q. You have to convert this number in the form of a P by Q. So now I am going to convert this number in the P by Q form. That is nothing but what? 3,700. How many numbers are there? After decimal point, how many numbers are there? Here 3 numbers are there. Then we have to write here 3 zeros. So that is nothing but what? 1,000. Getting everyone? So here 3.576 is a number is there. This is called as the decimal number, and we are going to write in the form of a P by Q. So I am writing a P by Q form. That is nothing but how many numbers are there after a decimal point? Here 3 numbers are there after a decimal point. So we have to put here 3 zeros in the denominator. That is a 1,000 value. Okay. So this way, I hope everyone know this method. Right, up to 8th standard you already learned all these things, but in 9th standard what is the extra thing is means, see I already told 3.3333 can be written as a 3.3 bar. Right, how to write it in a P by Q form? In P by Q form, write this decimal expansion in a P by Q form. You have to convert this number in the form of a P by Q. How to convert this number? How to convert this number? You have to do now. That is, wait here. So that is nothing but show that. Sorry, the question is like this 0 point. We'll take a question as a 0.33. Okay. The question is like this. Show that 0.333 is equal to 0.3 bar can be expressed in the form of a P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0. And since we do not know what 0.3 bar is, okay, let us call it x, and so take a x value, and 0.33 is the x value. So x is equal to this much, and multiply. Here is the trick where the trick comes in. Look at 10x is equal to 10 into some value. They given here x value. And after multiplication you will get a number. Again you have to do the x value and you will get that P by Q. I will tell you now. That is the question is what? 0.3 bar. Convert. Example I am telling here. Convert 0.3 bar in the form of P by Q. So you have to convert this number in the form of a P by Q. They given a example is 0.3 bar. So you have to convert this number in the form of a P by Q. Okay. So here 0.3 bar is nothing but what? 0.333 like that you can take it. Right. So next thing is, this is nothing but consider this number is the x. The given number is x. Okay. We don't know what is the form of a P by Q of this number. So we are finding that form only. So P by Q form we are finding for this number. That number is taken as the x only. So that is nothing but x equal to the given number here. Whatever the number they given here, that I am going to taken as here. That is the x value. So x equal to 0.333. If you want the other letters, it can take. Okay, it doesn't matter. So x equal to 0.333. Now multiply 10 on the both sides. Why we have to multiply 10 only? See, I am going to tell once again here. If we are repeating only one number, here only the 3 number is repeating again and again. Okay, so we number. If there is a 3 numbers are repeating, then you have to multiply with the 1000 number. Getting everyone? So here only one number is repeating, so that's why I am multiplying with the 10 value. Getting everyone? So if there is a 2 numbers are there, if the 2 numbers after decimal point, if the 2 numbers are repeating again and again, then you have to multiply with the 100 value. If there is the only repeating value is one number, here only one value is repeating again and again. So that means what we have to do here, that is we have to multiply with the only 10 numbers. So multiply by 10 on both sides. So multiplying the 10 on the both sides means we have to multiply here. 10x is equal to 10 into 0.333. So what is the number here? 10x is equal to 3.333. Right? So multiply means after one decimal point transfer from this right side. So that is the thing today. So multiplication 3.33 we got here. So that is something called what? 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.33. Right? See here 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.33. What we are doing here, if the after the decimal expansion only one number is repeating again and again means we have to multiply with the what value? We have to multiply with the 10 number only. Right? So if there is a 2 value is repeating, then we have to multiply with the 100 value. So here only one value is repeating. That's why I am multiplying by 10 on the both sides. Okay? So here multiply with the 10 means it will become a 10x. After it is equal to 10 into 0.333 value is there. Next what will happen? 10x is equal to multiply with the 10 means it will become a 3.333 value. Okay? So next 10x is equal to 3.33 can be written as 3 plus 0.33. If we add these two numbers, then answer will be again 3.33 only. So we have to add, separate the things. Means what is like this here? 16 means what? 10 plus 6. 16 means 10 plus 6. Like that 3.333 is there. So we have to add, separate and add the number. That is nothing but a 3.0.333 value. So 3 plus 0.33. 3 plus 0.33. Like this we have to write. And what is this value? 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.33 is nothing but a what? Given x value, right? So write here x. So that is nothing but a 10x this side, that is 10x minus x is equal to 3. And here it will become a 9x is equal to 3. X is equal to what? 3 by 9. 3 1 is 15. That is nothing but a 1 by. So answer is what here? The answer is 1 by 3. Understanding everyone? 10x minus x is equal to 3 and 9x minus 9x equal to 3. After that x value is, take this in the denominator, then 3 by 9, 3 ones are 3 3s are. What is the value here? 1 by 3. So this is the way we have to do the decimal expansion in the form of a p by q. That is nothing but a what here? 0.3 bar is nothing but a what here? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So everyone, I hope everyone are getting here. If you want to divide 1 by 3, then you will get the same answer only. Check it. Okay? If you want to do that, and do with yourself. 1 by 3, 1, 3. No number is there, so you have to take put a point here and take a 0, 3 is a 9, 1. And again for that point, 0, 3 is a 9. And again 1, again 0, 3. So what is the number here? Quotient is 0.333 like that only. So even our question is also 0.333. And what is the p by q 1 by 3. So like this we have to convert. If they say convert this number in the form of a p by q, or convert this number in the form of a rational number. Rational number is also same, or p by q also same. Okay, if they mention a rational number, then you have to convert same p by q form only. If they mentioned p by q form only, so then do like this only. Both are same. Okay, so this is the way how to convert the decimal expansion form in the form of a p by q. Okay, I hope everyone understood these problems. Next thing they given here, that is a root 2 and pi is nothing but it's an irrational number. I told in the last class only, because root 2 value is a 1.4142 and 356 like that, so on is there. Okay, however in finding the value it will never repeat. So what is the definition of a irrational and rational? One more definition I given, not p by q form, and one more definition I given, that is nothing but what rational number is a either terminating or a non-terminating and reoccurring. Moreover, the number whose decimal expansion is a terminating or a non-terminating reoccurring is called as the rational number. Okay, terminating or a non-terminating, but the reoccurring and is called as the rational number. Which one is the non-reoccurring? No, that is called as the irrational number. Which is a non-reoccurring, that is called as the irrational number. If it is a recurring as well as the next terminating or a non-terminating, it is nothing but a rational number only. Okay, so these are the definition of a rational as well as the irrational. I hope I given in the first class only. So next we'll solve the exercise number 1.3. While solving the exercise 1.3, I'll give some more hints here. Okay, don't worry about that. And first one, write the following in a decimal form and say what kind of a decimal expansion each has. Means you have to say how the decimal expansion is there. In the beginning I told some are getting a remainder as a 0 and some are not getting a remainder as a 0. So never become a remainder as a 0. Like that there will be a two cases is there, and seeing that remainder we can say that it is terminating and non-terminating. Terminating means the remainder should be 0. If the remainder is not 0 means what it will be? It will be a non-terminating decimal. Like that we have to say. So first one is a 36 by 100. What is the decimal expansion of a 36 by 100? I'll do now only. Okay. Today we'll solve the first main. After that, we'll solve in the next class. Okay. So that is nothing but the exercise 1.3 here. Okay. In first main, that is the first problem. That is nothing but about 36 by 100. You have to write the decimal expansion of the given number, and you have to write what kind of a decimal expansion it is. Okay, so it is nothing but the 0.36. Right? If you want to do the division, then do the division. 36, 100. Put a point here, take a point here. 100 3s are 300 and 60 is the remainder. For this point again I am taking a 0 here. It is a 600. And what is the remainder here? Remainder is 0 here. Remainder 0 means what it is? It is a terminating decimal expansion. Right here, terminating. Odd kind means there are kinds of means it is a two types. Okay, the first one is a terminating, non-terminating. Terminating means what? Remainder is 0. Remainder is not 0, then it is a non-terminating. Okay, so here we are getting a remainder as 0, so the value is terminating. Getting everyone? So next one is a 1 by 11. 1 by 11. What is the value of 1 by 11? Decimal expansion. For writing a decimal expansion, we have to do the division problem only. Okay. So write Do the division now. 1 by 11. So that is 11, 1 here. Point put 0. So we can't do that. So that is nothing but what we have to do here. See, 10. Again we can't. So again one more 0 you have to take for that point only. So 11, 9s are 99. 1. Next, for this point again I am taking the 2 zeros here. That is again a 11, 9s are 99 and 1 will be remainder. So the remainder 1 goes on like this only. So the decimal expansion is nothing but about here 0.99. But it is a how it is. It's a whether it is terminating or non-terminating. It is a non-terminating. Right here, non-terminating value. So it is a nothing but what here? It is a non-terminating value. This first one is a terminating, second one is a non-terminating value. What is the third one? We'll see third one now. That is 4 integer 1 by 8. 4 integer 1 by 8 is there. First we have to convert mixed fraction to the improper fraction. That is nothing but what here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. 33 by 8. So this will be a 33 by 8. And now do the division. That is 33 by 8. 8 4s are 32 and 1 is there. And again put a point here. Take a 0. 8 2s are 8 1s are 8, next 2 value, and again for that point take a 0, that is a 8 2s are 16, again 4 you will get. For this point I am taking a 0, 8 5s are 40. So what is the answer here? Decimal expansion is 4.125. This is the decimal expansion for this number. First convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that we have to do the division. 33 by 8 will get the value quotient as the 4.125. 4.125 is something but what? It is called as the decimal expansion of the given number here, the given rational number. Okay. So and how it is terminating or non-terminating? Of course it is a terminating because here remainder is 0. So this is called as the terminating expansion. This is called as the terminating. Okay. So next fourth one we'll do now here. That is a 3 by 13. 3 by 13. So what is the decimal expansion for a 3 by 13? Do the division, same thing. Okay. So here 3 is there. 13. Put a point and take a 0 here. 13 2s are 26. And what is the remainder here? 4. So here 30 means 13 2s are 26 and 4 is the remainder. For this again take a 0 and how much? 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. So here take a 3 and again it is a 1. So we can't take can't do the division here. Again take a 0 here and goes on do like this only. The remainder never be 0. So what is the decimal expansion here? That is a 0.23. How it is? Whether it is a terminating or non-terminating? Of course it is a non-terminating. Right here a non-terminating value. So here that is also 3 by 13 is also non-terminating value here. So after that fifth one and sixth one you have to do it in your home. That is a homework for you. Up to that much see here I given one example also and write the cases. The remainder becomes 0 and the remainder never becomes a 0. In a decimal expansion put a heading real numbers and decimal expansion and write the 2 cases and give the example for each, and after that do that 0.3 one example as a homework, and after that in 1.3 first main is a homework. First main is a homework and after second for the second main we'll do in the next class. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class. I hope everyone are safe and be safe in your home. Okay, thank you everyone.